Trapezium is also called trapezoid. Trapezium is a four-sided figure which is among the quadrilaterals. There is an arrow at the upper horizontal line which indicates that it is a parallel line, and there is another arrow at the bottom horizontal line which also indicates that it is a parallel line. The figure below is a 2D model. Both the upper and the lower side are bases, but the upper side is given a label as A to differentiate it from the lower parallel side. The spellings of base begins with B, so we call the bottom side B. Normally, the bottom side is considered to be the original base. That's why I gave it a label as B. We are tracing dashes from the upper parallel side and the lower parallel side, and we join it together with a vertical line which is straight and upright. It is known as height. Any part from A upright to B, which is vertical or straight to B, is height. C and D can also differ in length. We can see some difference between the upper and the lower part, since the lower part is much longer than the upper part A. The lower part is known as B. The left side is C and the right side is D. The height is represented with small dots, which creates an angle of 90 degrees to the base B. We can use the four sides to find the perimeter by the method of addition. The perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. To indicate that the line is parallel, we draw our arrows through the base A and base B. Please note that the arrows are important. Find the perimeter of the trapezium. This is the diagram. The upper part A is 6 and the lower part B is 10. Normally, the lower part is longer than the upper part. Now, the left side is 4 and the right side is 7. Most importantly, let's indicate our arrow signs. Let's find the perimeter. The perimeter P is the addition of 6, 7, 10, and 4, which is equal to 27. We are finding perimeter, and it is advisable to attach units to the values. So let's use centimeters. So 6 will be 6 centimeters, the 7 will be 7 centimeters, the 10 will be 10 centimeters, as well as the 4, which is 4 centimeters. That's right. The perimeter P is equal to 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 4 centimeters, which is equal to 27 centimeters. That is our answer. Find the perimeter. This is another work example. For this figure, we will trace the height first. The right side of the figure to the base 3 centimeters, and the height is like a right angle triangle. Or let me say it is a right angle triangle. Now the height is 4 centimeters. But we don't know the value for the right side. We can find the value of the right side by using the Pythagoras theorem. So let's say that the right side is the same as the left side, and the base A is 6 centimeters and the base B is also 8 centimeters. And 8 plus 3 centimeters will be the total base of the trapezium. So using the Pythagoras theorem to find the perimeter of the figure, we will label the right angle triangle from the trapezium as A, B, and C. Now, we will redraw the diagram ABC and call the height 4 centimeters as it is and the base to be 3 centimeters. We will call the side S because the sides are the same. Therefore, the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle will also be S. The square of the S is the same as the addition of the square of the 4 and the square of the 3. Now, S square is equal to 16 since 4 square is 16 plus 3 square, which is 9. We attach the square root sign to both sides to obtain the S. The square cancels its root and the S is equal to root of 25. Root of 25 is 5. Therefore, the value of S is equal to 5. That's the answer. We can find the perimeter by adding all the sides of the figure from 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and the last one, which is 8 centimeters. S centimeters is equal to 5, so 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8, all into bracket centimeters because they are all in centimeters. The answer is equal to 27 centimeters. This is the last perimeter question, and the next part will be the area. Find the perimeter. This is the figure, and this figure is slightly different from the previous ones. Two right angle triangles are attached to a rectangle to form a trapezium, but there is only one right angle triangle. And we are to find the perimeter of this figure. The side is 6 centimeters, which is vertical, and the base is 8 centimeters. The slightly side, which is the left side, is 4 centimeters, and the base A is 5 centimeters. And our vertical height is the same as 6 centimeters. It is the dot dot dots. This is another way around to find the perimeter. This figure below is a right trapezoid. The perimeter P is the addition of all the sizes. Any value of unit encircled with the blue color is the sizes needed to be added. 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. We now sum up 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 all into bracket the centimeters, that is the units. It is 23 centimeters as the answer. I hope for now we are familiar with perimeters of trapezium. Please subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon and watch out for the next part. This is Mathematics in 3.